YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to adjust PANARS sports watch. This one is the Gold edition. I believe they have a Gold and then a Silver. So I have you requesting to do this video. So let's go ahead and get this started. I have this adjustable tools. So hopefully it's gonna work with this watch. I might change the tip with a thicker one because this one is too small. Let me try to unscrew this. I got this out of eBay for only like $2 and something, less than $3. And this one you could change the tip. It comes with a total of 4 tips. So actually, I'm going to put this on back because it seems like that's the strongest one. So the other one's too thin or too long. Put the tips back. Wait, unless I can flip it. That might be too thick. Because you need to determine how thick is the watch band. Some come with like the pin that goes in there like that, so small. But unfortunately, this one is kind of thick. This is my Samsung smartwatch, in case you guys are wondering. So let's go ahead and take out the plastic wraps. Let's take it out on this side. Shouldn't be that hard to take these wrappers out, but stick together. There you go. Alright, so after you take out the plastic wrap, you need to look at the arrow. You see the arrow is pointing to this side. Never mind, this one has the arrow pointed outside right there. As you can see the hole. So that means I need to use like a needle nose screwdriver to pry it out, okay? Let me check on this side. It looks like it's the same thing. So I don't need to use this tool. I believe this is like a same as a Casio watch that I did. I don't know why I'm having so much hard time taking this stupid wrapper out. So you need to pry out that into that hole and push it outward. So let me go get the tool and be back. So here you go. Grab my needle nose screwdriver a tool. I got this thumbtack. I'm gonna take this out so it'll be easier for me to adjust them. Alright, so you just use this, push it in, and then take out the watch band. Don't lose this pin, okay? This is a spring loaded. So put that out aside. So this is stainless steel. You are gonna try to see how much links that you need to remove. Normally, for my size, I need to take out all of them. So I'm gonna start 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 other links for you to remove. I'm gonna use this plastic on the bottom so I don't scratch anything. So push in and push out, okay? There you go, right there. You see it? And then you just need to take this plier out. I should get my flathead screwdriver, but let's go ahead and push it out with this pin, with this tool. I got my plier right here. Okay. And this is the, wow, it is double. So make sure you don't lose it. It is 2 pieces. I didn't know. Normally it comes with the 1 piece. So this one comes with 2. I'm gonna put that out aside. Now I can remove the links. This one is kind of tricky as well, same as the Casio watch band. You need to get it out from the section right there, the midsection, okay? Where the gap is. So that means I need to remove this one right there. What? I didn't know there's an alarm. So here we go. We're going to do the same thing to remove this link right here. Push down and push outward. And then I'm going to use a plier. There you go. Again, you have 2 of this lock-in mechanism. Okay. I'm gonna take it out, put it into my, oops. Put it the wrong way. I said, what? What happened? So be sure to insert this back the way it is, 2 at a time. Gonna use this vise to push in. There you go. There is the extra length. I'm going to put that aside. Now I'm going to start on this side. I might only need to remove 3, but let me try and see. So this time I'm doing both at the same time. My plier. Okay. So once you get hang of it, it should go much smoother and faster. Okay. What you do is just push this down against a hard surface, and then hear the click. That's it. And then now I could put my pin there back to that same position right there, and hopefully it's gonna fit. If not, then I need to readjust it. Until here, click. There you go. So I'm all set. Oh no, it looks too small. Jesus. Oh, lucky I didn't put it in yet. Yeah, I guess the bottom section didn't go into the hole. So anyway, I need to add a link to it. So now I'm going to do a test fit. So it looks like I'm going to add it to this side. So I only need to add one, so I'm going to remove one from the extra links. Okay. This time I gotta make sure the pin goes in correctly. Lucky it didn't fly anywhere. Oh. Insert the pin. Okay, make sure it's not moving. Are you kidding me? All right, it fits on my left hand side, so that's fine. I wear on my left side, so. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.